Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what are strings and how we can use strings in Java. So first of all, what is a string? A string is, you can say, is a sequence of characters, or in other words you can say a string is a character array. And how you can declare strings in Java, you just need to use this keyword called string, and then you can name your string whatever you want. So I name it as my string is equal to, and then in double quotes whatever string you want to assign. So for example, hello world, you can do it something like this. And this string you can just print it using system.out.println, system.out.println, and you can call your string here and it will print your string, right? This is very simple stuff. Now there are some properties and functions related to strings which we can use. For example, I want to get the length of the string. I can just use this string, or I can declare a variable called my string length, my string length is equal to the variable name of my string dot length. Okay, and this function length will return the size or length of the string. So the length of the string, as we can calculate, 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 letters for world and 1 for space, so 11 should be the length of this string. And let's run the program. It returns 11, right? So this length function will give you the length of the string. Now for example, I can modify this string. I will declare one new variable called my string in lowercase. So you can convert your string to lowercase, all the letters in lowercase, like H is capital here and W is capital in world. You can just convert them into lowercase, something like this. So use your string variable name to and then lowercase. Just use this function and then it will convert your string to the lowercase. Run the program and it converts hello world. From hello it converts H to lower, and from world it will convert world to lowercase. In the same way it will convert your string to the uppercase. So I will change it to string in case, like this, and I can convert to the uppercase. So I can just use dot to uppercase. It will convert your string in capital letters like this. It will print your string. Okay, and there are some other properties of string. For example, you want to join two string, you can do it something like this: hello in double quotes plus world in double quotes. And this means you're concatenating two strings. One string is hello and other string is world, and whenever you use this plus sign between them, it will concatenate or join these two strings. Okay, so it will not affect our result. It just removes the space because this world and hello doesn't contain any space. If I give any space here, then it will give you the space here. Okay, so the other function you can use with this array is not array, but the string is the replace function. For example, you want to replace some character from this string. I will change it to the original value, hello world, and I want to add, or I want to change this E to some other letter, for example A. Okay, so I can use something like this. I can use this my string, then dot replace, and I can replace my old character. So I will replace character E by, for example, character A. Okay, and it will search for all the E characters in this string, and it will replace it by A. So when we run the program, it will give the result HALLO, hello world, instead of HELLO, right? For example, our string would contain more than one E here, and then we run the program, it will convert or replace our E by A. Okay, so you can replace the characters in the string using this replace function. You can do more things with this replace function. You just need to hover over this function and just see the examples which is suggested by Eclipse here. So examples are replace the characters, you can replace, or you can replace some more strings or something like this. Okay, so this is how you can use strings in Java. There are other functions in strings which you can use. You just need to add a dot to your variable and see what function suits your your requirements. You have this concat function which concatenates. You have this index of some character. If you want to find some index of the character, for example, I want to find the index of for example O, then I can just write a character O, and then I can run this program, and it gives -1. For some reason I have to see this this index of and what it does, and you just need to hover over the function, and then you just need to see what this function is doing. So it returns -1, the index of first occurrence of the character in the character sequence represented by the object, or -1 if the character does not occur. Okay, so this was 0. If this was O, I would have got the right answer, which is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just find your function which suits your requirement, and you will be good to go. In this way, you can use strings in Java. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.